I am Dr. Kitabu Jammeh, a medical officer here from the Gambia. I am assigned to the B.Sc General Hospital. I'm currently as a general practitioner, but very much involved in the activities of the emergency department, wherein I am one of the doctors overseeing the department, admitting cases, managing patients in their dire states, and then having to admit them on the wards. Yes, I'm also involved in overseeing patient care in the different wards of the hospital. Well, the Merck Foundation, I would commend, or I would say, it's a great organization, a great foundation for having in mind the need or the relevance, or seeing the relevance of supporting the training of doctors in developing countries, or underprivileged people, or underprivileged doctors in developing countries. I found their efforts very laudable. Being chosen to do a training in acute medicine for me has been sort of a good step in the right direction in my career development, and for which I must be always grateful for. Yes. Well, I received an intensive training, 1 year long training in acute medicine. The training has been of great relevance for me, great importance, for which I have been able to do a lot of extensive reading, a lot of extensive research, getting to develop my skills in research, and getting to acquire some very important postgraduate skills, which are indeed enabling me to function better as a doctor in the emergency department. And the training has been great. For it, I've been exposed to different modules linked to different systems all of which are of great relevance when it comes to acute medicine or to the care of patients in the emergency setup. So I've been able to upgrade my skills, upgrade my knowledge, upgrade my understanding of certain conditions. And these have all enabled me to function better as a doctor without much consultants around in a rural setup in the service of my people. Yes, for my facility is a general hospital, and we get to see patients from around the sub-region, and then we get to see many conditions. The patients present with different conditions. Nowadays, we are seeing a rise or surge in non-communicable diseases and their emergence or their complications. Hypertension is on the rise, hypertensive complications, diabetes on the rise, hypoglycemic emergence is on the rise. These are all common things we get to see. And because of the training I received in acute medicine, I've been able to manage some of these cardiovascular conditions and even endocrine conditions with much ease. So the training has really increased my knowledge base, and I am able to stand stronger as a doctor with our support in the care of these patients in the acute setting. Just to thank the Merck Foundation, they have been incredible. Being chosen to study acute medicine for my own good and for the good of my people is something I should be grateful for. I'll just have to say a very big thank you to them. I'm looking forward to more collaborations for me and even for my colleagues out. This has been a wonderful opportunity, an opportunity I'll always be grateful for. It's been great. Thank you.